IUPAC rules of nomenclature of coordination compounds. According to the latest IUPAC recommendations, following rules are observed for naming the coordination compounds. All those who studied the monodentate ligands, the name and charges, the table which contains bidentate ligands and their charges, and how to determine the oxidation number of the metal ion. These three things are very essential for the IUPAC system. Let us see the rules. 1. In ionic complexes, the plus ionic complexes or minus or negative ionic complexes are there. The name is started with a small letter. That is the most important thing and the foremost rule. Any coordination name, that is IUPAC name, should be started with only a small letter, and the complex part is written as single words. Even in organic chemistry, it should be written in single words, but normally the children, after writing one word, as usual, they used to leave a little space. If you leave any space in between for the marking scheme, no marks are given for the IUPAC name of coordination compounds. Now, please refer page number 497 in order to confirm that the letter should be, the IUPAC name should be started with a small letter. About 90% of the students find this rule so difficult and make a mistake in writing, and they write capital letter. The reason is very simple. In writing English word, children are quite used to that system for about 10 to 12 years. If you write IUPAC name of a coordination complex, no marks will be given. That means write the IUPAC name of a coordination complex with capital letter, no marks will be given. Now, you cannot write any IUPAC naming unless you are thorough with the ligand's name, short form, and the charges on the ligand. The table of monodentate and the didentate ligands, what I told you to get thorough. If you have the thorough idea, you can write any IUPAC name of the coordination compounds. Next is the spelling is the next important thing. Chlorido. If you write chloro, no marks. Like bromido, iodido. Children make a mistake by writing bromo, iodo, etc. No marks if you write like that. Then another mistake, NH3, we say ammonia, but in coordination compounds you may notice that it is a neutral ligand and the spelling is AMMINE, amine. If you write one M, that means amine, that normally we uses in coordination in organic chemistry, it is wrong. Therefore, be careful about the spelling also. Now, last and important thing is that IUPAC name appears as one word. Any space in between the words, no marks. These are all the comments from the pupils' performance analysis of the ISC Council. They noticed that after the evaluation of the papers, majority of the students are losing mark because of this reason. They are writing capital letter. They are not careful about the space in between them. And they are using spellings. There is a wrong spellings or some spellings are not correct. That means AMMINE. Instead of that, they write AMINE like that. Therefore, these are all the rules to be followed first. Then we'll start the actual rules, how to follow and how to write the IUPAC name for coordination compounds.